Welcome back. We got Moody Cancer Creates, aka Mental Creations, back with another unboxing video. We know that my favorite thing to do is support Black women-owned businesses. I support all businesses, but you know I got priorities, okay? So today we have three things to unbox and review. So let's get started. The first one, she is on Instagram as Sweet Pea Vegan Naturals. She makes handmade soaps. She has these new candles, and she also does some type of essential spray or something like that. So the soaps I am familiar with. I've used them before. I love them. The ones I'm familiar with is lemongrass. I think the lavender, and that might be it. But I'm trying a new one today. So beautiful packaging. Smells good already. So this one is the lemongrass. So this one actually has little pieces of lemongrass, so it is very, very exfoliating to the skin. I love it. After you get in the shower, you know, with taking these soaps, your skin just feels very smooth and soft. It's all natural, vegetable oils, saponified, herbal infused vegetable oils, turmeric, dried botanicals, and natural fragrance. So yes, this one is a fave. Like, I can definitely tell the difference, you know, from getting in and out of the shower. And what else do we have? I think I tried something new this time. Strawberry Fantasy. Smells really good. And her Etsy shop is etsy.com/shop/sweetpeanaturals. So I'll make sure I put that somewhere in the screen. If you're on YouTube, it'll be in the description box. And if you're on Instagram, I'll tag her page so you can go directly to the link in her bio. So Strawberry Fantasy, lemongrass, and antiviral soap, which is really good for now. It doesn't really say the ingredients, but I'm sure it has, you know, whatever antiviral herbal products in there, and it smells good too. It's not like, you know, when you hear antiviral, you think of like sharp, bitter, but it's not like that. So that's her. Be sure to check her out at Sweet Pea Naturals or Sweet Pea Vegan Soap. Sweet Pea's Vegan Soap. But I'll find the IG for sure. Okay. And then we have a new business, Lippy Goes. She just, you know, opened her business during this quarantine, which hopefully most people are. If you ain't got nothing else to do, you got time to put together some ideas, some creations. I do have a Connect 4 website, so if you guys are needing to build a website, the person who built my website is ready to take new clients, okay? So, Lippy Goes. Hey! Okay, so, I don't remember. I think she sent me some samples, but I think I only ordered 2 things. But, so she sent a sample of her scrubs. So she'll have some scrubs coming out soon. That smells good. Like, not cocoa butter, but something in that family. So, I don't know what this for, so I won't test it out right now because I'm downstairs. But, so we got the scrubs. I'll be happy to try that out. We got some, this is pretty. I love that color. That bronze looking color. Oh wow, yeah, I like that. I like how it comes on in color. Alright. I only remember ordering 2 things. So I think she definitely sent me like some samples because we got like 4 things. Actually, let me go to her website so I can tell you guys exactly which one I got. Instagram. Yeah. Brown sugar scrubs. Okay, yeah, I see. Brown sugar scrubs. Lip scrubs. Oh, so this is a lip scrub. Okay, cool. And excuse me. So we have this one is the Ice Me Out or Coral Reef. So let's try that one. Smells good too. Ice me out. Ice me out. This one kind of smells peachy. And then for the next one, red sugar. I'm thinking this one is red sugar. Earthy rye. Okay, so this one is the earthy rye. And then red sugar. Let's see that one. Yeah. Smells good too. So we got 2 of those. So clearly, you know, my daughters, they're gonna need some. So everybody got lip gloss. Lips popping. Shout out to Lippy Goes. It's a brand new business. Be sure to check her out. Very affordable. Everything ranging from like $3 to $6. So definitely check her out. And then last but not least, we have Fee's Emporium. Master Fundi Fee. She is, you know, she's an herbalist, healer. She does martial arts, teaching. She, you know, does spiritual advising. She has a YouTube channel where, you know, very uplifting YouTube channel where she's really pouring into the community, teaching the community, giving back to the community. She does community gardens. She all about the community, okay? Alright. So, ooh, we got money. Got money. And you know it. If you've seen her website, she's always like burning these monies. I mean, not her website, but her YouTube page, and passing out blessings. So I'm excited. And then we got a big old homegrown sage. This is homegrown and wrapped to seal in all of the perfectionisms and stuff like that. White sage. That smells good. And then we have blue sage, the one dipped in dragon's blood. So I'm ready. I'm ready to fight, you know, fight away all the demons and all the poisonous people, energies, wherever. You gotta go. It's done. Actually, let's light this bad boy up now. And she says, relax. Oh, here we go. So speaker, activist, henna designer, Tai Chi master, life coach, author. She got it all in the bag. Alright, so let's try this out. I'm excited. Oh shit. I don't want it to break. Am I doing this right? I don't know. I'm like, I just want to burn it. There. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. There we go. Got it. Alright. Let's give her a go. I love these big ones, like, to let the motherfucker know that you ain't playing. Okay? Yes. And you know, I actually have sage in my garden, like it's just growing freely. And I would never know how to like wrap it up and do all of this at home. Like I just be like, alright, here goes some loose leaf sage. Enjoy. Ooh, yes. 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 It's like you know, my mind is going there because I just can't help it. You know, it's just that time. But you know, it's just like, yeah, exactly where my mind is. That's where my mind is. You know, it's just like, oh yes, cleanse it, Lord. Okay. So all right. So where am I put this? I'm gonna put this right here so we can cleanse up all the crystals and all that. And yeah, so we got Sweet Pea vegan soaps. We got Lippy Gold, and we got Fundi Fee. So Fundi Fee on YouTube, FUNDIC, and then her website is masterfundifee.com, lippygolds.com, and etsy.com /shop /sweet pea naturals. So very happy to do that. If you are a black woman, if you're a business, let me know. If I see something I like, I'll buy it, and I'll try my best to do an unboxing. I try my best to do I try my best to keep up with the unboxing because I definitely want people to, know about this. I don't charge for this or nothing like that. Eventually when I'm, ship hopping, then yeah, you break me off for a little advertising, But right now, we just all growing together. So I ain't about to be doing all that. I feel like $20 a post and all of that. It's just like, it's cool when you up there and you work and you got 100,000 people to advertise to. But right now, when we're all small and growing, I just feel like we can promote one another, grow together, and we'll meet at the top. We'll meet at the finish line. You know what I'm saying? So yes, thank you guys so much for your awesome customer service, your cute packaging. Fundi shipped really fast. I think Ty is shipping out now because she had not Lippy Goes is shipping out now. Sweet Peas shipped really fast, and Fundi, I think I ordered on either Friday or Saturday, and Monday it was here. And I think the same with Lippy Goes. She just was doing her product development, and then once that was done, she had everything shipped out. So I'm thankful. I'm going to save this for. Oh no, I'm gonna study. I'm gonna learn about this, and then because I don't want to waste it. I want to use it for when I really need it, like when I'm about to sign a deal on a house or something, and I need a little energetic, push. Then I need this. So yes, but yes, thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys follow and support these businesses. If you are a business or you have a business, comment below, your name, your website, what it is that you do. On YouTube, it might not let you put your link, so kind of break it up, like put your website space dot space com. That way, So that's it.